Welcome to another Lessons for Vocabulary Part 12. In this lesson, we will come to know the process of making electricity from a solar panel. You must have seen a lot of solar panels. Let's understand how the electricity is made. So you will be given a blank to fill so that you can improve your vocabulary. So please start filling the blanks and complete the process. A solar panel is constructed of a layer of silicon cells with glass casing surrounded by special film and wiring. For maximum effects, the panels are grouped into arrays and placed on the rooftops. A minute solar cell is a thin semiconductor made from two layers of silicon. One layer of solar panel is positively charged and the other one negatively charged, making an electric field. The light from the sun falls on photovoltaic solar cell. The sun energy moves the electrons to set into motion, creating an electric current. Electricity generated by panel is called direct current. It is converted into alternative current by a gadget called inverter. The AC electricity is run through electric panel and is distributed to home to power appliances. On cloudy days, panels may not be able to capture enough sunlight. If you send the extra energy back to your utility company, the company will provide you credits in the bill. Hope you liked the story of generating electricity from a solar panel. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel and please like the video. Thank you for seeing this video and hope you have a really nice day ahead. Take care.